In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download assets in a Figma project. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, grab your device and open your web browser. Type in the address bar www.figma.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Figma website. Now, once you're on the Figma homepage, look for the login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and it will prompt you to enter your credentials. Go ahead and enter your email and password, then click the Login button. This will bring you to your Figma dashboard. After logging in, you'll see all your projects lined up for easy access. Find the project from which you want to download assets and click on it. This action will open the project in the Figma editor, where all the magic happens. Now, let's take a closer look at the interface. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the Layers panel. This panel conveniently lists all the layers and components in your project. Navigate through this list until you find the specific asset you want to export. It could be anything like a frame, a component, or even an image. Click on the asset, and you'll notice that it gets highlighted in blue, indicating it's selected. With your asset selected, direct your attention to the right-hand sidebar. Scroll down a little, and you should see the Export section. If it's collapsed, you might need to click on a small arrow next to the title to open it up. You're almost there. In the Export section, you'll find a little plus button. Go ahead and click that to add a new export setting for your selected asset. Once you do this, a new export setting field will pop up. This is where you can customize your output. Look for the drop-down menu next to the Format label. Here, you'll see various options like PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF. Take a moment to decide which format works best for you and make your selection. If you want, you can also adjust the size of the export. Next to the size label, you can choose different scaling options like 1x, 2x, and so on. Just make sure to select the size that fits your needs. Once you have everything set up the way you want, you'll see an Export Asset Name button at the bottom of the Export section. Go ahead and click that button. At this point, a file dialog will pop up asking you to designate where on your computer you want to save the exported asset. Navigate to your preferred folder, give your file a suitable name, and then click Save. After you click Save, just wait a moment. Once the export completes successfully, you'll see a confirmation message at the bottom right corner of your screen that says Exported Asset Name. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded assets from your Figma project. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks like this, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy designing!